recording. And yeah, so there was confusion about the lab report. And I, once again, have discovered, well, it's not a new way to screw up, I suppose, but here we go. And so I've posted on Canvas homepage a new document here. Now it says Physics 1570. And as in one of these three logbook guidelines, to lend credence or to give weight to it, to show you that this is mainstream stuff. This report document I got from, I think, an engineering website, but talking about how to keep logbooks and such. And I tried to catch everything, and I goofed a little bit here. It said you should not include the raw data. I since just added this word necessarily, so I suppose that shouldn't be in italics, as I added that. So what this was talking about, in a real situation, it may not necessarily be that the raw data is relevant to the report because you've processed it somehow. But I can't even think, in Physics 1570 or any of our undergraduate labs, the raw data is almost always important to a report because, for example, we're talking about measurement uncertainties and propagating errors. So you need to show the measurements of the block with their plus minus, and you have to talk about how the plus minus was determined. So almost always, I'm getting laggy here with my mouse. What's going on? Anyways, this previous two sentences are holdovers from the original document. And so these are some new words. In general, you should include all data in an organized fashion. And that's where it says you're encouraged to recopy or reorganize data into tables or charts. So, it's sort of like a difference between these things. Oh, wow. I look like I've, oops. So Zoom is frozen. I don't even know if you guys can hear me.
Oh, yeah, we can hear you. You're just frozen.
All right, so my picture is frozen. So, shit, I can't even get the chat window going. Wait for the program. What's the best thing to do here? Yeah, I think I'm going to close. I may disappear, but I'll be right back. I gotta restart Zoom.
Okay. Yeah, we can see you again.
Oh, good. And I was muted, and I am the host. Nice. All right. Okay, so as I was saying, In general, in any one of our undergraduate labs, you're almost always going to include all of the data. However, and this came up, there could be a situation where if the data table or tables are too long, then what you would do is you put a sample of the data table in the main body of the report so that you can explain the entries, what's in each entry. Like in your case, you'd say like the first length measurement is we didn't put the ruler at 0, we put the ruler at a random start point, and then we looked for the endpoint, we took the difference, and you see there's a plus minus for each of the two, L1 and L2, and these are, we estimated it this way, and then you see that there's the actual length of the object is the L2 minus the L1, and you see that there's a plus minus there. And this is determined this way. And then of course you say then for every one of the other measurements, length, width, and height, the same procedure was done, etc. So that sentence should not include the raw data. Well, that would be more meaningful to a more experienced scientist. And I apologize for that confusion. So I've reworded it. I've posted it. Both. My mouse getting laggy again. And it crashed again. My camera. Are the other cameras working? Okay. Yeah, this one webcam might